to the Crochet Channel. Today we are learning how to crochet double crochet. If you like crochet or chocolate, or you just want to be a nice person, click like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on your Crochet Channel videos. Yay! Before you begin, you will need to crochet a foundation chain to the designed length plus 2 extra chains. To begin, skip 3 chains from your hook. This counts as your first double crochet of round 1. Yarn over, insert the hook into the 4th chain from your hook. Yarn over and pull through the chain. There are now 3 loops on your crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through those first 2 loops on the hook. There are now 2 loops left. Yarn over and pull through both of those loops. There you go! Your first double crochet. Let's try another one. So remember, yarn over, insert your hook in that next chain stitch. Yarn over and pull back through that stitch. 3 loops on your crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. 2 loops left on your hook. Yarn over and pull through those last 2 loops. So you will want to continue crocheting 1 double crochet in every chain all the way across towards the end of round 1. Once you reach the end of round 1, then turn your work crocheting in the opposite direction, and then crochet chaining 3. So the chain counts as the first double crochet of this row. Yarn over, insert your hook in that next chain stitch. Yarn over and pull back through that stitch. 3 loops on your crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. 2 loops left on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. There you go! It just takes a tiny bit of practice. So continue crocheting 1 double crochet in every stitch all the way across till you reach the end of row 2. Once you reach the end of row 2, continue repeating the row until you reach to your desired length. The double crochet is one of the most versatile yet common stitches. The stitch is about twice as tall as single crochet and create a very dense but not stiff fabric. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the Crochet Channel for lots of exciting, easy, and best of all free crochet tutorial patterns which you can use to create your own crochet pieces. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Be kind to someone today and keep smiling until the next video.